at Past Russell Center on my left. Orange truck, motherfucker, goddamn Auburn. I'ma take you downtown, am I going south? I don't know what the ride with Auburn, but fuck it, I don't care. Pulling on my hair like a bitch with no money. I ain't got no money for the bitch, no honey. Horizon, phone LG. Struck my shoulders, rap, what the fuck I see? For sale, made this go, 944. Clarkson Road, all aboard, but that motherfucking go. Exit 19, I-64, mile 20 marker, you already know. Now they's gonna represent me. He might even try to wash his feet. I got it.
Rolling down I-64 for show. Passing 19, 8 exit on my right. 27 miles till we go. Get some fuel for this hoe. I don't know what to say to you. All I know is I'm trying to spit for you. Your mama likes it, your sister too. If you don't like me, take it to the zoo. I'ma tell you what to do. I don't know why I come to you, but you step to me and you see I am not a nigga for you.
Think you know it's so cold outside, it's 14. Motherfucking, that's about what I like to lean. I get sippin' and I stop on trippin'. No STDs, cause I took the pills for 'em. You already know what the fuck did I say. I ain't got no ears pierced, but this fucker got is gay. Come on, big rap about me.
Best Banks Gangster rap for show. I'm gonna show you what to do. They call me short but shorty for sure. I go to the store looking for a whore. Walk in the store with my 40. Walk out with my homie and shorty. Get outside in my ride. Rolling down the street to your front door. I go to the house to get somebody.
Fuck, I hate rapping.
I'm not a rapper at all.
Alright. One hand on the wheel, different steering. I'm gonna take you down south. You feeling bananas? I'll go in Savannah, Georgia. That might be close. I'ma slow down before I hit 'em. Cause if I don't, I'm on the screw. I ain't got no money if I hit these fucking dudes. I ain't got no rap shit, man. These beats ain't doing it for me.
Hold on.
These beats ain't doing it for me.
I got oh shit.
These beats ain't doing it.